So today we're breaking down whether the OnePlus 13 is actually the best performance phone you can buy under $900 this coming holiday season. But before we go through step by step, let me show you something wild. If your phone ever starts dropping frames or randomly slowing down, there's one hidden feature in Oxygen OS that instantly boosts its smoothness. And I'll show you that in a moment. Now, let's talk OnePlus 13. At this price point, OnePlus is clearly targeting people who want flagship speed without $1,200 price tag. And honestly, performance is where this phone flexes the hardest. You're getting Snapdragon's latest chip, OnePlus insane thermal system, a 120 Hz display brighter than last year's model, and charging speeds that make Samsung and Google look slow. But here's where things get interesting. The camera system finally feels flagship tier. It's not just good for the price, it's legitimately competitive with Pixel and Galaxy in most lighting. Still, it's not perfect. There are early complaints about aggressive sharpening in photos and battery life dips faster during gaming than expected. But overall, for under $900, this thing is a performance monster. Now, back to the hidden feature. There's a toggle deep in the OnePlus settings called High Performance Mode. Most people never touch it, but once you turn it on, animation smooth out, feels like it unlocked a second gear. So, is this OnePlus 13 the best performance phone under $900 this holiday? If speed, smoothness, and charging power are your priorities, this might be the easiest yes of the year. If you want my full recommended settings to max out speed without draining your battery, drop a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple US tech reviews.